The National Aviation University, one of the leading educational establishments in Ukraine, welcomes you. Founded in 1933 initially as the Kiev Aviation Institute, warmed the hearts of young people of the time. In its course of history, the university has required the world level of professional training in aviation and aerospace fields. The best university traditions were transferred by famous scientists of the 20th century, such as chief designer of rocket and space systems Volodymyr Cholomey, chief designer Oleg Antonov, Professor Trifon Bashta and academician Alexander Kukhtenko, founders of scientific hydraulic and management schools, academicians Georgy Pukhov and Anatoly Shpak. The National Aviation University comprises 16 institutes, 6 colleges, 3 lyceums and 6 research institutes. 92 departments of the university train 45,000 students. Students major in 75 perspective directions: aviation and aeronautics, computer engineering and ecology, chemical and biotechnology, management and transport, international information and law, geodesy and construction, telecommunication and information safety, etc. Training and research, combined, provides a quality training as well as profession mastering and further career prospects. Outstanding scientists extend the students' scientific scope, have them participate in various projects. The staff of the university includes 12 academicians and corresponding members of the Academy of Sciences of Ukraine, 37 academicians of branch academies, 260 doctors of sciences and professors, 840 candidates of sciences and associate professors, who create in classrooms the atmosphere of creativity, feedback and openness. Economic changes and introduction of new directions in training led to the essential transformations in research conducted at the university. Powerful development took place in researches connected with innovative information and aerospace technologies. Focus is laid on the development of multi-purpose diagnostic systems, diagnosing of airship and their complexes, satellite technologies, air navigation, turbo-machines and nanotechnologies. World recognition of scientists, specialists and university students' works is annually confirmed at domestic and foreign air shows and international scientific conferences. The National Aviation University, on the initiative and support of Academy of Sciences and Ministry of Education and Science of Ukraine, became a basis for the Institute of Innovative Technologies. It has already turned into the center of talented youth. The leading role in highly skilled personnel training belongs to doctoral studies and postgraduate course, with research direction list extending annually. Online technologies, creation of cooperative local networks and virtual laboratories gives the possibility to conduct an online experimental research right in classes. One of the main requirements for training of highly skilled specialists in the sphere of aviation is the maximal approaching of academic process to professional activity. Future pilots and specialists in aircraft ground maintenance have the possibility to master their professional skills in the unique educational hangar or on real airplanes. The university has established firm, long-term ties with leading enterprises of aviation in Ukraine. Among them, Civil Aviation Plant number 410, State Aviation Factory Aviant, Design Bureau Buran, Aviation Scientific and Technical Complex named after Antonov, State Enterprise of Air Traffic Servicing Ukr Aeroruch, State Holding Company Artyom, Open Joint Stock Company Motor Sich and many others. Students take practical classes at the subdivisions of International State Airport Borispol as one of the ways of their training. With the help of high-class professionals, students learn the secrets of flying skills, the super-modern airplanes. Thus, young specialists have the opportunity to make the knowledge acquired during lectures perfect in practice. At the State Aviation Museum, that has become the pride of the whole country, nearly 80 samples of aviation engineering are exposed. You can find here helicopters, airplanes. The Institute of International Civil Aviation Organization is created at the university. It includes the European Educational Center for Aviation Security and European Educational Center for Flight Safety State Inspectors and Airworthiness of the Aircraft. The National Aviation University is a member of the International Association of Universities. NAU graduates work in more than 120 countries of the world. For the successful training of the foreign students, the university is awarded the state prizes of many countries. Within the scope of demands to the training objectives and its organization, the updating of academic activities is realized according to Bologna Declaration. The integration of the National Aviation University's graduates into European and world scientific and economic environment is provided by the training in subjects through foreign languages, English and Spanish. The former is used for training in 14 technical directions. The university students make use of computerized scientific and technical library with more than 3 million scientific works, educational and methodical literature. The students enjoy the access to the World Electronic Libraries, as the University Computer Network has joined to the National Scientific Educational Telecommunication System. All conveniences are available for more than 10,000 students at the university in 11 multi-stored halls of residence. The university students may make use of medical center, sports complex with stadium, indoor running facilities, modern gyms and a billiard club. Yacht club trainings help students to revise their theoretical material on aerodynamics while constructing new forms of sails. The Culture and Arts Center staff organize substantial and jolly leisure for students. Everyone can turn into celebrity here, a singer, a dancer, or join the friendly family of Funny and Wit Club. National Aviation University provides a high quality of training and the graduates' competitiveness on the world job market. The motto of the university, Vivere, Vincere, Creare, Live, Create, Win, determines future career of its graduates. Well, the National Aviation University provides education that leaves time behind.